crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am starting a new series and it is called Flop or Shop. And basically what I want to do is that if I come across something interesting and I purchased it, I want to go through it all with you and see, is this worth a shop or was this a flop? So in this case I have these two little packets. These are from Amazon. They are from the brand FAYWARE, and these are supposed to be papers and washi stickers and things like that all together in a little package. So I thought we could open them up and see how this goes. We'll do the Lost Meadows first. They have a whole bunch of different ones, but these are the two that I picked out. And I just want to see if these are worth it. I think they were like $12, but ooh, all right. All right, so let's see. We have these beautiful, oh, this is cute. This must be a small business. Yeah, we're a small business, small family business. Looks like this is the thank you gift. Just some really cute little stickers. Alright, so we have this ephemera book, washi stickers, and scrapbook papers. Alright, let's see. Ooh! I like the way that these are printed. So these are the washi stickers, and they are pre-cut. Alright, so they're relatively easy to get off, so that is good. I liked this set because it had a lot of like tickets and butterflies and things like that. Oh, look at that. Pretty, pretty. Looks like little stamps. Tickets. Some numbers. Oh, look at this one. I love this page. Look at these tags with the butterflies. Ugh. Oh my goodness. There's so many stickers. Oranges don't dance. That's funny. I like this one. Oh, this is so pretty. I can't believe how many pages there are. We got some wax seals. And each one is separate there. So some tickets. Now we have some little fairies. This is like never-ending washi book here. Alright, so now we're getting into the papers. Wow, that would make a great background. That would be awesome too, and then put some of the stickers on there. Oh, so pretty. I love this one, the collage. Oh! Oh, this would be great for a card front. A mushroom. Ooh. This is funny. Oh, I love this one. Okay. Wow, okay, I don't think I was expecting so many washi sheets. Alright. So this one is the Lost Meadows. And then we will look at this one, the Nostalgic Canvas. Alright, so this one we have a little bit of different free stickers on there. I had to have this one with the Starry Night. Ugh, I love it, I love it. Alright, let's check this out. This is all like famous art, which is why I really liked it. Oh, look at these stickers. They're so pretty. Oh. I love this. A lot of Van Gogh. These are just so pretty. Oh, goodness. Oh, this under the starry sky. And this little arch one too. If you had some arch dies and you cut them out and put this in the middle and then did different layers with the arch dies, that would look so pretty. Oh, the ballerina page. These are just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And there's a lot of words in here too to like the today. You could have a nice day. You could use, that as a strip on your card. On the envelope, be your own kind of beautiful. A lot of these would be great if you, like the arches one, if you had a circle one and you could layer that up. You could do, if you had like the postage dies, you could turn these into little postage stamps and then put them on the, like a collage on the front of a card. Oh, these are so great. Oh, now we're into the papers. Wow. Look at that. The lily pads. Monet. This will make such a just a fun card front. Let's cut it here. Have the ladies. Well, that would be a great scene too. You cut this off into a landscape card. Oh, one of my favorites. Love this one. So pretty. You could cut this out with a rectangle die and have that as the front. Or even do like a scrapbook layout. Okay, so we have our Lost Meadows and Nostalgic Canvas. And my verdict on these is definitely shop. I was a little worried that these would be a flop. But now seeing how many pages of washi stickers you get and the papers are just gorgeous, I definitely think that this is worth the purchase. So if you think so too, go on and grab it. I will put the link for these in the description box. And I do have affiliate links, so you can go check those out. If you like today's video, I'd love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and take care. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.